Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Tyler. Happy Monday, and welcome to U.S. Studies Distance Learning Edition. I'm here in my dining room at my table, and this is probably where I'll end up doing most of my work, for, at least in the meantime while we're doing all this from home. I just want to let you know what to expect this week. This is week 1 of distance learning, and these are going to be what are expected. These assignments will be expected by Friday of this week. Okay, so this is all going to be posted under the classroom link or the classwork link in Google Classroom. So click on classwork and then you'll see all these tasks listed. Okay, so we are required every single day to take attendance just like we normally would. And how do I know you're here and doing this? Each day I will post a daily check-in question. It will be a Google form link that has the date attached to it, and you just have to open it up and answer the question. Most of them will be really similar to what we would do for a bell ringer anyway. So I will post those at the start of each day. And I need to see all of those done, and I'll be looking and letting the office know, the school office know which kids are checking in and doing the daily check-ins. That's how we are taking attendance. Okay, for assignments this week, it's pretty simple. First, you are going to complete Unit 5 Vocab 1 review. These terms should be old news to you. We've already quizzed on them. This is replacing our our reach assignments, okay? Don't worry about the reach assignments that we had done before break. I can't even access them. I can't get them. Not everyone was done with them, so we're scratching that. That's it. So instead, you're doing Unit 5 Vocab 1 review. There's a link in the classwork tab on Google Classroom for that. It is a Google form, okay? Second activity for the week. Watch America's Story of Us, the episode called Boom. It is linked in Google Classroom, and there is a 4-question movie guide, okay, about some of the things they cover in the movie, okay? The movie is 46 minutes. My expectation is that you're spending about 15, 20 minutes a day, no more on class. You can either divide this up and watch part of it one day, part of it another day, or just sit down and just kick it out in one day, and then the next day you don't have to worry about social studies. That's fine with me too. Okay, so Unit 5 Vocab 1 review assignment, America's Story of Us movie, and the 4-question movie guide, and the last assignment for the week. 3 things to do this week. Last assignment for the week is something, it's taking notes just like, kind of like we would in class, but it's through a program called Edpuzzle. It is assigned through Google Classroom, so you'll follow the link. It takes you to an Edpuzzle video. It's me going through our notes, looking just like it would up on the screen in our classroom. And you can either have your notes packet in front of you and write down your answers, or there is a digitally assigned version for you to take notes in and type as well. Okay, so Edpuzzle is a really cool option for me. It makes sure that my students have access to watch the notes and get those filled in, and it checks along the way that you're paying attention. So just like in class, I would ask you some questions and call on students to answer. Well, I'm actually going to be calling on all of you to answer, because the video will play for a little bit and then ask you a question, and before the movie will continue, you got to answer the question. So pay attention. You may write down your notes just like you normally would in class if you have your notes packet with you. That will be really helpful. Taking notes and being able to study from those notes like we normally would is going to keep you feeling like things are back to normal a little bit, and allow you to have something to use to study for our quizzes. And heck, if you're taking your quiz and you have those notes in front of you, Mrs. Tyler can't see you, so why not? All right, so those are the three tasks for this week. Besides the daily check-ins, those are required, we have 3 assignments. Unit 5 Vocab 1 review, America's Story of Us movie, and the 4-question movie guide that goes with it. And then Unit 5 Notes 3 that you'll fill into your notes packet and watch through Edpuzzle. All right, shoot me an email if you have any questions. If you're struggling and we need to connect, we can set up a time to meet on Google Hangouts, and I can contact you through Google Hangouts, which allows us to talk face to face. It's kind of cool. If you need to check in with me for any reason, or you just need to see my face and interact with me, that's fine. I'm totally here for that. I've got some office hours set up that we will have available. I just need to know in advance so that I can set up a time to contact you. Okay, but you can email me anytime if you're wondering, and I will answer. Okay, I love you and I miss you so much. I wish we could be doing this face to face. This is not my preferred method of teaching kids, but we have a lot of good things going for us already. We already know how to use Google Classroom, and we're just going to make the most of this, okay? Enjoy the freedom of doing school in your pajamas. Enjoy the freedom of doing things a little more at your own pace. You can tackle things for the whole week in one day if you want. I don't care. The only thing is you do have to check in for the daily check-ins. But other than that, you've got a lot of freedom here, and this is going to be kind of cool. All right. Love you all. See you later. Bye.